Say, welcome to Rome.
Welcome to Rome. Rome. Yes, go. Yes, no. Welcome to Rome.
She is high off Sprite right now.
Yeah, you're
I'm
high off
not high on Sprite. I'm actually really tired.
So we got one last little treat for you. I'm gonna go see the Trevi fountain at night and possibly the Spanish Steps. There is a ton of birds in those trees right there. That's it.
That's it.
So the Spanish Steps, what do you think?
We walked to the Spanish Steps. Yay!
That's them. I'm pretty sure it leads up to a church, but here's the deal about. Okay, here you go. Here's the deal about this area. You have Dior, Prada. What else do you have here? Balenciaga. But
It's a really nice area compared to where we're staying. Apparently, it's in the hood.
yeah, this is a lot nicer area.
We're right by the Coliseum, and you can tell that it's nicer.
What do we got? A little action with cops?
Whistles.
Italian cops. And they have a nice little fountain right here. Pretty neat, but it is packed out here too. And this is
It's a Sunday evening.
Sunday evening.
Is it surprising to see all these people out?
We got the policing up all the flower people and everything else. Let's see what they do here.
Yeah.
Gonna go for our final dinner here in Rome. But we figured we'd take a quick little hike up another hill. If we didn't get enough exercise, here's more. So, our last meal in Rome, I went with a little burger here with like ricotta cheese and stuff. We got beef carpaccio. And what do you got?
I got salami.
A bunch of different salamis.
A couple of different
Nice and cheese. Nice. Alright, well, we're going to close out Rome now. This is our last night.
Best dinner of the night by far. Atmosphere was great.
Yep. Barzilia?
Brasilia.
If you're ever in Rome, try and look them up. It's pretty cool atmosphere and good food.